Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kutuk this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 18th September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our channel Be EduCare Official on Instagram, where you will get regular exam updates, current affair video links, quiz are also conducted. Let us start with the current affairs for the day. 8 cheetahs were flown in from Namibia were released into the special enclosure in Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Cheetahs which have been brought from Namibia are being introduced in India under Project Cheetah, which is world's first intercontinental large wild carnivore translocation project. Out of 8 cheetahs, there were 5 female and 3 male cheetahs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released cheetah at 2 release points in Kuno National Park. India achieves a milestone in the voluntary blood donation with nationwide mega blood donation camp held under Raktadaan Amrit Mahotsav, where more than 87,000 people voluntarily donated blood in a single day. PM Narendra Modi launched National Logistics Policy that seeks to address challenges facing the transport sector and bring down the logistics cost of businesses from 13 to 14% to a single digit. Former President Ramnath Kovind released a book called Ambedkar and Modi, Reformers' Ideas and Performers' Implementation. The book was released in New Delhi. It illustrates the life, works, and achievements of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It presents a convergence between the ideas of Dr. Ambedkar and New India's development journey. Focus has been laid down on infrastructure, education, socio-economic mobility, gender equality, and self-reliance in the 12 chapters of the book. Starting with the current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, which state places first among the states in trials pending in the fast track courts? The next question is, what is India's logistics cost as the proportion of GDP as of 2022? The next question is, which state celebrates Social Justice Day on the birthday of reformist leader E.V. Ramaswamy Periyar? The next question for the day is, which institution leads the Coastal Cleanup Day campaign in India? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. The Green Fins Hub, first ever global marine tourism industry platform, is associated with UNEP. Which institution organized the Angan 2022 conference? The correct answer is Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jana Aushadhi Pariyojana is associated with which union ministry? The correct answer is Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Don't forget guys that Be EduCare is conducting a weekly current affair quiz contest where one winner will get an Amazon voucher worth ₹100 every week for giving the correct answers regularly in the comment box below. Shout out to Rujusha, Shani, Heta Chabia, and Priya for giving the correct answers in the previous video. That's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please press the bell icon for regular updates. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. For classroom recorded lecture, books and ebooks facilities, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens.